Okay, we're gonna go down. This is we're gonna go straight down, and there's gonna be something called the Navy Yards down here, and we're kind of close to Amma Temple, and we got lots of beautiful art too. So we're gonna focus on the art, briefly on the Amma Temple. There's Macau Tower as well, but mostly we're gonna be focusing on the Navy Yards straight down that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, let's navigate down to the Navy Yard. So Rua de Tiago da Barra, there's Amma Temple right in there, and it's pretty well touristed. I definitely have videos of that. It doesn't change much anyways. And if I go in there and do another video today, the only thing that kind of happens sometimes is people that haven't watched the video before will maybe watch it for the first time. But I always get new viewers all the time, so that might be a good thing to do. But today I just want to focus on the Navy Yards instead. Looks so cool, right? Lots of cool stuff. Is that a giant bottle? What's that? A little temple right over here. So I think this temple is for Amma, so they probably sell all the different stuff for the temple, and this soda would be for that one. So actually some of this is already some of the Amma anyways. So so they're selling stuff for that reason. This is the Navy Yards. I forgot to get some of my artwork here. I like this one. So we're gonna go into the Navy Yards. The Navy Yards is kind of cool. There's some of this, but they kind of blocked it all off for whatever reason. I think they're doing a lot of construction. It's one of the reasons. Some of this is like city property, so they put some city buildings in here for cleaning the roads and things like that. And here's the part of the Navy Yards. And here's the other parts too, so that's all blocked, and you can see all that construction over on the other side too. So I think that they have some giant plan for part of that. Basically, I'll let you know what that is. They're basically doing there's a light rail train. Like how cool those buildings are up there. There's like a light rail train, light rail. We're gonna walk over there in a minute too. But there's a light rail that's completed now on the Taipa side, and they're going to build it up to that spot where you can see they hold a lot of events here, like art related things, literature, culture. It's closed today, it's daytime, usually it's in the evening anyways. Contemporary art. So anyways, that station that's being built is going to be right over there. Oh, there's the police. I don't know what they're doing, so we better not focus on them and focus on the other stuff around here. So yeah, so this is all part of the Navy Yards. This is part of the Navy Yards too. Oh, looks like they're just building a raft or something. And then this one too. So we're gonna walk over to that one in a minute. Got these beautiful apartments up here. They have some amazing views. We're gonna walk into this part in a minute. Let me just see. So they have different expositions at different times. So this one is visual art. Exhibition of Macau visual art. So this one is looks like a pretty cool building. So we're gonna just kind of come in here a little bit. We'll see what we can see in this area. So I think that's the Museum of Visual Arts. And right here you can see Navy Yard number 1. And then you can also see this whole little area too. So you can see that. I think all this used to be like Navy land, and then all that over there is it's like a police station, and then all that construction over there. So Macau Tower would probably be like over that direction somewhere. So actually, so these are the Navy Yards. Hello. And we're gonna come back out of the Navy Yard. So they also have like art museum stuff here as well. So yeah, real beautiful area. So there we go, there's that area. we'll just kind of walk across a little bit, try to capture more of it. And then that area too, so let's just kind of go down a little bit, go across further. So now you can see it from this angle. There you go. So Navy Yards and Navy Yards. I should also capture it from this side so you can, that way I'm kind of doing the whole full effect. So we'll walk back towards the other, towards that mural over there. There's some little streets here. I filmed up in here before. It's kind of interesting. There's some abandoned buildings up there. And here's the Navy Yards from this vantage point. We're at 5 minutes. I think we might be able to go down further. So yeah, that's the Navy Yards. Yeah, and actually this one they always have, they'll have like old cinema sometimes, all kinds of kind of cool stuff. Full cafe, looks kind of cool. Nice cafe up there, right? Okay, so now we're kind of back at that one spot where the artwork was at. And then you can see that Navy Yards from this angle right here. And we'll end it right there. So hope you enjoyed this one. Chiquinha,